good at getting a parking, huh?
I'm just the first parking there at
DC and what do you call that?
And where's that other one? There in the Niagara Falls.
Because the one I booked was already just 0.2, just walking distance.
And then I messed it up when I what do you call that? Make a
Booking, another booking. That's what we saw there. That one there. That one. That's what they're upstairs. That one.
I saw that.
You can see that upstairs.
Yeah. Where we parked the first one?
You can see that upstairs.
Huh? You can see that.
You saw that upstairs?
Yeah. I was about to get out.
Check that one there.
Because all I saw was half the Blue Jays sign.
That's there. That's level up there. That's where we came from.
It all has to do with baseball.
There's just one. That's why replacing. I see. Maybe that one here. We go in. It's closed. Okay. The elevator downstairs. Careful.
Can't do anything that has to go bad.
There you enjoying John CN Tower. Careful, City Pie.
Choo-choo train.
Oh? Working? That's replace aquarium.
Right now he's not.
They're just beside each other, Sweetie Pie. The replace aquarium, and the CN Tower, huh? I see.
They're like a museum.